Hood County Creek that washed this pickup truck off the road last week is still overflowing. The rain has stopped, but the road now barely passable. Fox 4's Phil Alvarado spoke with people trying to recover from this round of flooding. Phil.
Hey, Steve, well, that couple got out just in time as their pickup was washed into a creek during the worst of the flooding in Hood County last week. Today, the county is looking at that call and dozens of other emergency calls to assess exactly how bad they got hit. It's been a few days since it stopped raining in Hood County, but Hood Creek is still barely passable. When the water rises, it blocks the only way out for some of the people who live out here, and there's a big temptation to take the risk. The creek usually wins that bet.
Get out! Get out! Get out!
It's rescue calls like this that Hood County emergency management officials are analyzing for a disaster summary that will go to the state. A landslide at the lakefront apartments has made them unsafe to live in. Granbury ordered the evacuation of 16 apartments and townhomes. Many have no place to go.
Well, there's one lady that has no car and her dog, and she's staying over there with us, but we did find her a place.
Everything we could fit in this car.
The evacuation means Christy Cullen is moving to a nursing home a bit sooner than she expected.
Well, it's kind of turning my whole world upside down. I just don't like being so unsettled, so I'm old, so hope people don't like change.
It's been pretty harrowing, not knowing if we were ever going to be able to get back in and get anything out.
So many others have been displaced by the flooding that it can be difficult right now to find other places to rent.
Lady here just got out of the hospital, so we're just getting her pictures out and everything that she said she wanted, and the rest is going to go. Then we're going to have a landslide sale right here.
Hood County Fire Marshal says even with all the people that have been affected by the flooding, the good thing is that none of the victims, none of the first responders were injured, but it will take a lot to help the county recover and get back to normal. Steve?
Okay, Phil Alvarado in Crescent, thank you.